Welcome to today's video, and I'm going to say this right from the beginning. This method is going to blow your mind completely. Now, we're using ChatGPT and another software, and here's the cool thing, okay? The whole concept of what we're looking at today realistically takes about no longer than 30 minutes to set this up. Well, maybe an hour if you've never done this sort of thing before, but in less than an hour, you can set this up. And here's the cool thing. It runs on complete autopilot. So you don't need to go over to ChatGPT, you don't need to use the other software. You can set this up and it all runs automatically. So essentially, you can earn money on autopilot. And now I can hear the skeptics. It sounds sketchy, it sounds dodgy. And I agree with you, it does sound sketchy. But as always, I'm going to share with you proof of the method. I'll show you my own examples of this. I'll then share with you the different softwares. I'll also share with you the potential and also how much money you can make with this, because honestly, I first came across this method about probably about 2 years ago now, and I did a video back then and I've not even mentioned it since. So I thought I'd give you a sort of update on this, and basically we will just go through this, okay? So for this method, what do you need? Well, we need two pieces of software. So you need ChatGPT, which is free. Okay, so for this, you come over here and you need to go to, it's called OpenAI. Okay, openai.com. You come over here, you sign up for free. Okay, so on here, sign up, create an account, and then you get access over here to ChatGPT. So you can click on here, it will open up into a new web page for you, and then look, welcome, log into your OpenAI account, okay, or sign up. So sign up is absolutely free. Then once we've got ChatGPT set up, which takes about 2 minutes, we're going to need another piece of software. Now the software that we're going to need is incredible. And why is it incredible? Well, let me show you, okay? So if I come over to, I'm just looking, I've got a lot of tabs open. I'm going to come over to, not this one over here. So this website is one of my own websites, and I have got lots more of these, probably about 15 of these up and running. And here's the awesome thing, okay? Once you set this up, everything, as I've mentioned, runs on autopilot. So I'll go into this post over here. So I don't even know what this is because, like I said, I don't even check on this anymore. But here's a cool thing, okay? You see on this website here, so this is all about home education. What do you notice at the top here? This is an affiliate link. This over here is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link. That's an affiliate link. And that's an affiliate link. So there's lots of affiliate links on here whereby they are earning me a passive income. And obviously, these affiliate products are about home education or home education resources, and people are looking for them, okay? I'm not being salesy, I'm not being sleazy, I'm just putting this information in front of people who are doing home education, okay? Now, if I scroll down here, what is this article? It's about, what is it? Sea lions for kids, sea lion facts and information for children. I didn't even do this, okay? So you see all of this text here. This was done by ChatGPT. See this video on here? This was pulled in automatically from YouTube for me. And if I scroll down, look, you can see introduction. We've got this here, physical adaptations. I nearly couldn't say that. Behavior in Connolly's, hunting and feeding habits. So all of this here, frequently asked questions and lots more. And then you can see down here, we've got other articles on the website, okay? And it runs, as I've mentioned, it just runs completely hands-free, and you set this up. So how do you do this? And also, let me share this with you as well, because this is another method with this. So you can set all of this up, and you can pick any category, you can pick any niche. So you could go down the affiliate marketing route, you could go down the YouTube route, or you could, go really sub-niche or subcategory with this. But also, you can create these websites, set them up so they're running automatically, and then you can sell them. And you might think, who on earth would want to buy these websites? A lot of people, and a lot of people are not only selling these, they're making very, very good money with this as well. So I'll share with you, I'm trying to think of the website. So we need to go over to, so it's called flipper.com. Now, over on this website, you can buy, basically on Flipper, you can buy businesses, you can buy websites, domains, Amazon FBA, and lots of different things are available over on here, but predominantly you can buy and sell websites, okay? So you can see, look, it's the #1 marketplace to buy and sell websites, affiliate sites, SaaS businesses, and lots more, okay? So if I come over here, so let's go to, I'm going to type in automated website. Let's go on here. Let's click on search. Let me move my head. Let me click OK. Let me move that back. OK. Now, blimey, 50,000. No, okay. We want something. I'll tell you what we're going to do here. We're going to filter this a bit more realistic. Okay. We're going to click on lowest price. And basically, we're going to go through and have a look at this. Okay, so here's an example. So this one over here. Sorry, let me get rid of that. This one here. Focus on. I've lost where I was going. This one here. Focus on cannabis. This one over here. The gamesexposure.com. Fully automated games website. Top profitable niche. Newbie friendly. Da 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 da. So I could buy this for $89. Okay, so we're going to have a look first of all in. Let's go over to the listing and have a look at the actual listing. And what I want to do here is I want to find the seller. So let's scroll down here and have a look. So this is the seller. Specializes in web design. Yeah, of course you do. So this person here has made $4,000 from 52 transactions on this website over here. Selling. Let me sign in so you can see this as well. Let me quickly sign into Flipper. And basically, when you sign in, you can actually see some more information about these different websites and get a bit more information about this, okay? And it'll help you visualize this a lot more. So let me sign in really quick. Sign in. Please include at the email. Oh, okay. So let me do this one. Let me sign into this one. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this will work. And then I can show you this. So we are logged in. Let me come out of this tab as well and sign in. So here we go. Okay, so fully automated games website. Let's scroll down. So I want to have a look. I'm going to click on here, open up this person's account, so we can see what else they're currently selling. So at the minute, they've only got one listing for sale. They've got 100% feedback. Scroll down. Have they got any more? No, they've not. Okay, so let's come out there. So this person here is selling this website, the Games Exposure. Let's click on it and let's have a quick nosy at it because I already know what it is. I already know that they're using something what we are looking at today, the Games Exposure. So look, all of this here, what is this? So it's automated. It's all automated. And you've got these different categories along here, okay? All automated because it's pulling in, looking at this, it's pulling in the information from YouTube. So that's, okay, let's go back. And let's go back again. And all I want to do, oh no, I've gone too far. What I want to do is I want to find some other sellers on here, okay? So I'm going to type in automated websites again. And I'm going to do the same concept. I'm going to change this to lowest price. I'm going to scroll down. So look at this one here. What is this? Gaming Informers, starting price $248. So let's just have, and look at there's another one here. And basically, look, this concept here is it's all the same concept, okay? I mean, look at this one. The layout of it is the same. Same on here. This one, bitcoinyear.com. All of these are pretty much the same. So let's go into, I'll show you one last one. So let's go into gaminginformers.com. Scroll down here, I want to find the seller. So this person over here from Ireland. Let's have a look. In fact, can we scroll down? PayPal. I mean, look at this person, 138,000 using the method that we are looking at today. 138 grand selling automated websites. Let's have a look at the website. Is it something awesome, mind-blowing? No, it's not, is it? Look at this. It's just an automated website which is all done. You see all of these here? These are affiliate links. So let's go into one of these articles and have a quick look at it. So let's scroll down on here. Dark side of cheating, affiliate link, and that is it. So you can see on here, there's a huge potential with this actual method. So you can actually make money by selling these websites, or you can make money with affiliate marketing and other bits. So how does it work? So you need ChatGPT, as I mentioned. Then the software that you need for this is this one. Now I'm going to put a link to this down below. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but it's my own specific one whereby you get money off this. So the link is nottaughtschool.co.uk/YT Evo, this one over here. And this will give you a discount on this. And I'll also give you some other stuff if you do go ahead and pick this up because it's completely worthwhile having a look at this. So we want to go over to this link over here. This will send you over to the sales page and you can have a look at this in a lot more detail and also see other examples of where that you can make money with this. Because here we go. So look, world-class software for multiple passive income streams from other people's videos and ChatGPT. So you can monetize single or multiple videos from YouTube channels, playlists with 100% free traffic, no experience needed. And you can see on here it's integrated with ChatGPT, which is awesome. So if you go over to this here and use this code, it will give you $10 off this software a month, okay? And it is a simple process. It's step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, basically, this software over here, this YT Evolution, it allows you to go onto YouTube, pick channels in a certain category or a niche, and then it will pull all of the information from that channel into your website. So you can see on here, you can take someone else's entire tech channel and you can turn it into this over here, a technology vlog. You can take your own channel and make it into an affiliate marketing channel. You can do this with local clients. So, if you're working with local clients, you can also use it for this. And there's lots of information on here, okay? So it's really straightforward and simple. Now, once you go ahead and get this, there's 2 things you actually get. So let me come over to, not this one, here. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it starts at the beginning, shows you about this and different ways to make money. So earning through affiliate offers, selling your own products and services, building an email list, rank and rent, AdSense revenue, and then you can also cloak pages as well, which we're not going to talk about today. So if we come here and then you've got all of the different ways of using this, how to set this up, settings, and other bits, okay? But once you've done it and you've gone through this over here, you go ahead and create your website. Now, this is what it looks like on the back end of this. So you can see over here where it says YT Evolution. If I go to your channels and playlists, you can see I have got these websites here, these channels on YouTube here. Now, you'll notice over here it says auto sync. So some of these I've got set to no, but you see like this one here, yes. So every time this channel on YouTube creates a video, it automates it and creates an article on the website. The same down here, the same here, and also here. It's awesome. So it auto syncs, so I'm literally not doing anything for this. And then as well, if I come over to, I want to go to the settings, I'll show you this as well. You can connect this to many different things. So you can see we've got easy articles, spin rewriter, a few of these, but then we've got ChatGPT over here. Now if I scroll down here, you can see, look, content length 750 words. So every time it creates an article, ChatGPT integrates with this and creates the content for the article. And you can also check whether it adds, you can see here, an intro, a conclusion, frequently asked questions. You can rewrite your YouTube description and captions, and lots more. But it's a really straightforward process. So the process is, you buy the software, you set this up and you connect it to different YouTube channels and also connect it to ChatGPT. The training here walks you through all of this, so how to use it, hosting, installing WordPress, the setup of it, and lots more. Once you've done this part and you've set it up, you don't need to really do anything else because it runs on complete autopilot. It's absolutely awesome and it really is amazing. So you've got a number of ways you can make money with this. And I know people who are selling websites over on, well, not just Flipper, but on different websites. And as you can see over here, I mean, this person over from Ireland, 138 grand selling automated websites. It's absolutely insane. It really is insane. Now, the other thing as well is if you do decide to go ahead and pick up this piece of software, this YT Evolution, I will also give you access to this over here. So over in my university, we have got lots of different things in here. So I'm going to give you access to the newsletter. So each and every single month, we have a newsletter, which is all about internet marketing and making money online. So we have this every single month. So you'll get access to all of the previous ones and all of the future ones, which, by the way, I charge a monthly fee for to existing members. And I'll quickly show you inside of one of these so you can see the sort of content that we have inside of these flip books. So whilst this flip book here is loading, oh, there you go, it's done. So you can see in here we have resources and news. We'd also have, look at what's going on in the world, looking at new case studies. See, we've got a mini case study over here. But then let me come into this. So look, information marketing, 100k a year on 10 hours a week. We have lots in here. We have different case studies. We'll go through, as you can see here, we have interviews inside of here, sales funnels, email marketing, blogging to 1 million. we have lots of stuff in these. So this comes out every single month. And basically, if you're looking to make money online, we cover everything inside of the newsletter, okay? There's lots of stuff inside of there. Then we also have all of these additional resources, so you get all of these included. And then if that wasn't enough, we also give you access to this workshop over here, this building multiple streams of income. It's a huge workshop in here. You can see we've got resources in here, an action guide workbook, and you'll also get access to the community. So overall, that's today's video. So if you have any questions about this method for making money online, then please drop them down below. But it's awesome because we're leveraging ChatGPT, we're leveraging YouTube channels, and basically we're automating it all to create websites like this, which just run on complete autopilot. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.